we are going to learn how to set up Azure pipeline for deploying Docker containers into AKS cluster. In our previous video, we have learned how to create Azure build pipeline for building the Docker image and then uploading the Docker image into Azure Container Registry, right? But in this pipeline, what we are going to do, we are going to extend that pipeline, so this is the part what we are going to extend, right? So we are going to, do the same use case, right? So this is our GitHub repository where, this is a sample Python based project where we have Dockerized a Python based application. And what we are going to do is we are going to create Azure build pipeline and then build the Docker image, upload the Docker image into Azure Container Registry. And then we are going to create a Azure release pipeline for deploying that Docker image, from ACR into AKS cluster. So that's what we are going to learn in this video. Awesome. So let's get started. So if you look at the prerequisite, yes, we need to have AKS cluster up and running, right? So I have already set up the cluster using Azure CLI command. Of course, as you can see here, you can create AKS cluster, by directly going into Azure portal, or you can do it through Azure CLI, or you can also set up AKS cluster using Terraform as well. I do have separate videos in my YouTube channel, so feel free to go through that. And if you look at the cluster, so this is our cluster, right? So I have created a resource group called my.rg, and then I do have my cluster setup as well as the Azure Container Registry as well, right? So we do have, the cluster ready, and then we also have a ACR ready, okay? And then this is the Azure DevOps dashboard, which I'm going to use, where we are going to create a build pipeline as well as release pipeline, okay? And then this is the sample code, right? So this is the sample code, right? So this is a Python based application here, right? So this is a Python based application, and then this is a Dockerfile, okay? And then if you look at the fifth point, which is very, very important, we have to give a full access for the cluster, right? So if you click on this link, I have already provided the steps, where we are going to give that full access, right, for cluster in order to download the image from the ACR, right? So we have to execute this command, okay? So don't forget that. If you don't execute this command, then your AKS cluster will not be able to download the image from ACR, right? So please, go through the prerequisites. So I have already provided all the steps, okay? And then of course, if you want to learn how to set up the cluster, I also have provided that information over here as well, right? It's up to you how you want to, set up the cluster, but I can do a quick walkthrough. If you actually see here, we need to create the resource group and then create, AKS cluster with 2 worker node. And then this is the command for creating the container registry, right? And then this is to update the kubeconfig file so that you would be able to, perform kubectl command on the cluster. And then this is the thing, right? Where we have to perform this command so that AKS cluster would have full access on the ACR, right? So that's all, right? So you can quickly verify here. So this is the cluster, right? As you can see here, this is the cluster with 2 worker node, right? Awesome. All right, so let's get started on the instruction here, right? So like I said, we are going to create Azure build pipeline. We are going to create Azure build pipeline for building the Docker image and then uploading the Docker image into ACR. I have already done this as part of my previous video, but again, I'm going to quickly go through that in this video also. And then once we have Docker image created, and then we are going to create the release pipeline for deploying the Docker container or Docker image into AKS cluster. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. Awesome. So let's get started here. My DevOps dashboard here, and then I'm going to create a new pipeline. I'm going to go with the classic editor. Okay, and then GitHub. So this is where, we have already checked in the source code. I'm already connected to, with GitHub using personal access token. It's up to you. You can, authenticate however you want to. And then this is the repository, right? So I'm going to copy the repository here, and then we can look it up. So that's the repository. Click on select. Okay, perfect. Continue. And then we are going to choose the template, right? So I'm going to select this option, Docker container, because that's what we are planning to do. We are building the Docker image and then uploading the Docker image into container registry. So click on apply. Perfect, right? So all we have to do is just configure our pipeline. So yes, let's select the Azure subscription. So this is a subscription. Okay, and then select the Azure container registry. If you are logging for the very first time, you may have to authorize using your Microsoft credential. Okay, so let me select the registry. So perfect. So I want to build the Docker image, so everything is looking good. Perfect. And then I want to select this because I want to tag it with the latest. Okay, and then this is the image name, so I'm fine with that. Okay, and then this is for pushing the Docker image into our registry. So again, do the same thing, choose the registry and then include latest tag. I think this is actually good, right? And then if you see our source code, so yes, we are building the Docker image, and then we also want to deploy into AKS cluster as well, right? So if you see here, this is how we are going to build our Docker image, right? So if you see here, this is how I'm going to build my Docker image. I will show you after we create the Docker image, right? So that, this is our sample deployment YAML file, right? So which has the information here, our service, right? How we are going to expose our Python based application, right? So this is the sample, deployment YAML file where, it is going to deploy into AKS cluster. Okay. So we need to copy this YAML file as part of the build step, right? So what we have to do, we are going to add a task here, and then we need to add a task called copy, right? Because we need to copy the files. Click on copy, add, and then we are going to select where we are going to copy, right? So you can choose this. We want to upload into a staging directory, right? And then we want to add another task for publishing, right? So go ahead and then click on publish, add. So I think this should be okay. So let me verify here with the instruction. So this looks good. This looks good. Copy. This is, oh yeah, we need to provide the YAML file over there. So we need to add this file as part of the copy task. Okay, and then as part of the drop, I think this is looking good. Okay, so it's going to build the Docker image, push the Docker image into container registry. As part of that, it would also make sure that this YAML file is available in this location so that our release pipeline actually can pick up this artifact, right? So that's all we are actually doing here. Perfect. And then we have to select the agent specification here. Yeah, you can select any one of the agent available from the pool. Perfect. Awesome. So that's it, right? And then if you want to rename the pipeline, you can actually do it here. So I want to call this as my Python app CI/CD, actually CI pipeline, right? I want to call this as a CI pipeline. Okay, perfect. And then go ahead and then click on save and queue. So this should build the Docker image and then upload the Docker image into ACR. So let's click on agent job 1. So this is going to show us the log. It may take a couple of minutes. So the build pipeline has completed, and then of course you can see what it has done, right? It has built the Docker image. As you can see here, it is successfully tagged, right? And then you can also see that the latest image has been pushed, right? As you can see. Perfect. So we should be able to see the image in the ACR. So let me click on the ACR, go to repositories. This is a repository you see here. Wonderful. Wow. See here, 2:53 Central Time. Yeah, like a minute ago, it was able to upload the Docker image. Perfect, right? So far, so good. So we were able to successfully create the Docker image and then upload the Docker image into Azure Container Registry. Now what we have to do is we have to just create the release pipeline for deploying that Docker image into AKS cluster. Okay, awesome. So let's get started with the release pipeline. So I'm going to go to pipelines, releases. I'm going to create a new release pipeline. Okay, and then what we are trying to do, look at that. So we want to deploy into Kubernetes cluster, right? So we need to apply this task. So click on apply. Okay, and then you can rename the stage. So I want to call this as deploy to AKS, right? Perfect. And then we need to add an artifact, right? So this is the source, isn't it? So we are going to select our pipeline. So if you remember, this was the pipeline what I have named, right? And then I want to use the latest version, right? So you can leave it like that, right? So this would be our input for the release pipeline. Okay, so click on add. And then if you want to rename the pipeline, you can say it here, right? You can say that my AKS release pipeline, right? Okay, perfect. And then what we have to do, we have to modify or customize this task. So click on this stage name. Okay, so we are going to deploy using kubectl command, right? So this is what we wanted to do. So what we have to do is we have to create a new Kubernetes service connection, right? Because using this, we would be able to deploy into AKS cluster. So I'm going to click on new. Okay, so here we are going to use, of course, there are several ways you can authenticate, right? So I'm going to go ahead with Azure subscription option. So the moment you select, it's going to open up the pop-up as you saw here, right? So we are going to log in with Microsoft credential. So provide that information there. And then we are going to select the cluster. What is our cluster name? And of course we can see that over here. So this is our cluster name, right? So let me go ahead and then select that cluster name. I do have 2 entries, but I think that should be okay because I have already connected earlier. So I think that should be fine. And then select the default namespace. And then I want to use the cluster admin credential. So go ahead and then select this option. And then we have to give some name. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to say my AKS November service, right? Okay, permission to all the pipeline. Okay, and then click on save. So you need to remember this name, right? Say okay. Awesome. See here. So this is already populated. And then what is the namespace? Namespace was default. This should have come. Okay. Use configuration file. So click on this dot. We are going to select the YAML file, right? That is important because the way it is going to do a deployment, yes, it's going to use kubectl command, and then this is our deployment YAML file, right? So that is nothing but this file, right? So if you see here, the way we have tagged it, the way we are using the image name as, yes, we are using the, this is going to download the latest image from the ACR, right? So that's what that means. Okay, perfect. Everything is looking good, and then go ahead and then click on save. Okay, so all we have to do is just create a release and then create. Okay, so the release has been created. Let's click on here. So this should have triggered the pipeline. Okay, let's click on the logs. Wow. So everything is looking good. As you can see here, it was able to apply the kubectl command. Okay, so let's quickly check the cluster, whether the pods has been created, right? Nothing has been created. Okay, so let's check our configuration. Edit. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete the cluster configuration there. Let's do it from the beginning, right? So let me delete this. I don't know, something wrong over there. Let me delete it. Okay, let me go to the pipeline, releases, edit here. So let's do new. Okay, cluster, perfect, default. So I want to use my AKS. Save. There you go. Okay, so perfect. This is looking good. Command should be applied. Okay, I think this is good. Let me click on save. And then create release. Create. Okay, let's see now. Oh, wow. See here? We can actually see it from here itself, right? The deployment got created and then service also got created. And then you can verify that. So this is our deployment, right? You see here? So 2 pods have been created. Wonderful. And then you can also see the service as well. So this is the service, isn't it? Okay. And then the way you can access a service is, using the external IP. So we are using the load balancer type. So copy the external IP, and then this is the port number what we are going to use. I'm going to go to the browser and then use port number 5000. Enter. Wow. See here? So this is our Python application, right? Python based application running in AKS cluster. So yeah, so that's it, guys. That's how you can create Azure build pipeline as well as Azure release pipeline for building your Docker image, uploading the Docker image into Azure Container Registry, and then also deploying that Docker image into AKS cluster as well. Awesome. Thank you for watching this video, folks.